It's again rayon. Everything rayon. I tell you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new haul. So I'm doing this haul after so long time now. So in this video you will be seeing some amazing summer picks that I did this time. So basically I bought some of the short kurtas from Amazon and they are so affordable and they are so beautiful. Definitely goes with the aesthetics that we are right now and in trends, very much in trends, all of them. So I will show you as much as I show you on camera. I will be unboxing it for the first time, so we will see how it goes. So that is pretty much of the intro. So if you guys are interested to know what all I got this time, please do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. All the things that I bought in this haul are under rupees 500, and to be precise, mostly they are from 299 range. So 300 and 500 is the range. Also the top I'm wearing right now is the part of the haul and I love it the most, so I choose one of them from the haul itself. मैंने package में से open कर लिया and I wore it and I absolutely love how beautiful, how comfortable it is. So starting with this one itself, this is a very beautiful cotton kurta. It's a short kurta. The whole haul is about short kurta. So I bought 5 of them, and this one I think till now I haven't opened all of them, but this one is absolutely gonna be my favorite. I know for sure. This I love so much. It got this V-neck. I have seen a similar pattern in a blue color that's all over the place, all over the internet, and I have seen in person many people wearing that. So I thought ki color different mein le lete because this looks very summer appropriate, and also the quality is so beautiful. It's pure cotton. It's 3/4 sleeve mera aaya. I got this in the size medium and it fits me perfect. Okay, so I really love it. So this is how it look like. On camera abhi aisa nahi dikhai de raha hoga, but you will see how it looks on me. And yeah, pretty much I love the color, how comfy and perfect length it got. It's just, I love it. With the jeans or with the palazzo, it will look so good. I don't know if you can see or not, but this is the kurta that I ordered. It's called the Ritrus or something like that. It will be there on the screen itself. A woman's floral printed cotton regular fit top, and how it looks like on the website, it exactly the same. So absolutely, even the color is more brighter and better, so I really love it. And next is, yeah, I have seen this similar one, the blue one right there. So I have seen all over the place, so I thought कि थोड़ा सा color change में game सही किया जाए. So I got this. This one cost me 469 rupees, and yeah, pretty good. So I will definitely give it a 5-star rating. So I love it. Totally love it. Okay, so moving to the next one. This one, it says that printed cotton kurta set. Of course, I have ordered everything in cotton right there then. And this is how it look like. You will be seeing here the photo, the picture of it as well. So I'm very much, intrigued to try it out. So let's open it and see. It doesn't feel like that cottony. It somehow feels like it's very much mixed. But this is how the print is very beautiful. I like this kind of print, jo dark and pink, the dark blue and pink and greens. I love it. The pattern actually I love the most about this kurta right there. So this is how beautiful the kurta look like, and the best part is that you can adjust it from it's a peplum kind of kurta set right on going there. I think many of the ones I got are peplum itself, but yeah, this is truly one, and you can just snatch it out from your waist area as well. So I love it. You can accordingly आपके size के fit के हिसाब से you can do it. It got these 2 threads going on right here, threads here, ropes going on right here like this, so that you can snatch it out. I love it. Totally I love it. Only a kind of disappointment of me reviewing this will be that it's not pure cotton. Like here it says it's a cotton kurta. I believe it is obviously cotton, but it's it's a kind of a mixed cotton. Like this one is pure cotton, and I truly love the quality of this, but this one I do not feel the same. So yeah, maybe the quality was better, would have really loved it. But having said that, this one cost me only $299. I think it's a steal deal. Love the print and comes in 3/4 is what I love. So this one I bought in the size large, and yeah, size is up, say you can see the size guide वाला सीन it already here written, so choose accordingly. किसी भी जैसे इसमें मेरे को medium पड़ा तो इसमें large, so you have to go through the size guide once and order accordingly. So I will give this 4 rating. Yeah, 4 is fine because I do not feel it's a truly cotton, because it's kind of a mixed. So yeah, okay, so moving to the next one now. It's a white one. The print is a little bit of different than what I saw. Maybe I don't know. I have to see. But oh wow. Anything in white, I have my heart there. But yeah, this is how beautiful with white and blue it's look like. So I will attach the image obviously over here or somewhere on the screen. But this one says the Kashi's creation floral print rayon. Okay, this is not cotton, I have mistaken maybe, but it says rayon, so then it's fine. Now I also over touching the material, I found that this is not at all cotton. But yeah, it was my bad, my mistake. It's completely of the rayon kurta, and it's got the regular fit, and yeah, that is pretty much of it. I got it in the size large. Again, do check the size guide. I tell you, everything is of different measurements over there because various brands are selling, but this is how the kurta look like. It's a short kurta with 3/4 sleeves and a little bit of design going on, a small V cut over here on the neck. But yeah, it's a round neck with small V cut detailing, and of course the sleeves is 3/4. I love it. It's not cotton. If you are not into cotton, or if you want something shiny material, you can go for rayon. Yeah, it's not that comfortable how cottons are, but definitely according to your choice you can choose. So this is a rayon material. It's friendly for summer as well. ऐसा नहीं है, मेरा बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं जो कॉटन का नहीं पहनना चाहते हैं. They are very much comfortable in rayon also, I have seen, although I'm not that girl. But anyways, so it's for everyone. It's the inclusive video going on right here, not exclusive one, because the color is so beautiful. It's so summer appropriate, and I totally love it. So I have told you the size. The price is also same. It's $299. Let me tell you what the rating I will give, since it's my fault and I've mistakenly ordered it in a rayon material. So that's, I'm not considering that my mistake. But anyways, according to the price point, if I have to rate, I will give it 3, not more than that. So yeah, little bit biasness can be mixed in between. So ignore that. But yeah, that's my opinion according to the material. क्योंकि मैंने ना रेयन में भी बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल देखा हुआ है. This rayon is okayish. Okay, so moving to the next kurta. Oh wow, the color is so pretty. I believe, I don't know how I ordered this, because I believe that this one is also rayon. I have to see. Let me open it first and experience, then I will check it out. So it's rayon and mixed, definitely rayon and mixed, but the print is so pretty. So that's why, because if it was in cotton, it will be much more in finish should not be this glowy. So it definitely has advantage of its own. That's why it's rayon. It's called the Isla Floral Print Poly Rayon Short Kurti. So this is how the image is. You will be seeing on the screen itself. This one I got for 269 rupees, and I also took it in size large. So yeah, it's written over here also, it's large. Let me tell you, the color and everything is so beautiful. This kurta is, I have to wear and check it whether it is comfortable for me or not, because I cannot wear any kind of material right there then. So I have to check it out. The ones which are cotton to cotton mix kind of situation I like. I don't know I will be comfortable with this quality or not, but I tell you, this is a decent material as per the pricing, and this is how it will look like. A little bit of transparent, that won't really matter because the color is very dark. So yeah, this is how it look like. You will be seeing how it looks on me, and yeah, I think it will look too good. And with the oxidized silver jewelry, it will just enhance the whole look. So yeah, it also again the 3/4 sleeves that it got. Coming to the rating of this one, this cost me 269, and it's a rayon. That is totally my bad that it wasn't cotton. I haven't overlooked it rather. So I will give it again a 3. So I like it, but I told you the jazz. Okay, so we have came to the climax, and the last one of this haul gonna be, again, I think this gonna be my second favorite after this. So because just look at the color and the print that I will show you now. This is also mixed one, but definitely more cottony than the other two. I mean, I tell you, I kid you not, I really like, it's again a peplum thing going on right here. I really love this print, and something in this color. I do not owe anything this mint green to some sort of greeny only, but yeah, this I do not owe anything like this, and it comes in full sleeve. I mean, it's a blessing. Honey, when you go in summer days outside, पूरा ऐसे burn नहीं हो गया आप. So I really love it. I really love it. It's a full sleeve, and I have a lot of ummeed from this top, and I will try it out and show it to you all. I got this one in the size large again, and it cost me 299 itself. It's the called the floral top gray. They are saying this is in the according to there, it's a gray color, but you know. So it's what it is. So it's so pretty. It's gonna look very pretty. Wearing with the jeans will look best. With that, juttis. Oh my god, it's a whole look in itself I'm creating in my mind. But yeah, this is how it look like. I tell you, in this price point, what I understood is that 200 से लेके 300 तक जो भी price range है, everything you get in rayon material itself. When you go beyond that limit, like 400 and stuff, 500, then you get the pure cotton tops like this. So according to your preference, do your judgment, whichever things you feel comfortable in, do that. Because ऐसे सारे tops, the peplum या फिर इस design में top आपको इस range में भी मिल जाएगा. So do your research. So I pretty much liked it. I always wanted to show you some affordable options because I do get comments here and there. And another most requested things that I get is that about the chicken curry kurta set. I tell you, I'm working on it. After I shown you my chicken curry kurtas that I got from a local market, मैं दिल्ली से लेके आई थी. After this, he was like, please give me some good recommendation. I'm working on that, and soon I will be coming with it. Okay, so it's time to rate this one. Definitely I will give it a 4-star rating because I totally love it. It's again in rayon, so do the judgment accordingly. And yeah, that is pretty much of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.